guys, and welcome back to another video, of course. Today I will show you how to use these buttons. Yes, these on the screen right now, and how to play this game that is called Parkour and be pro at it like me. Okay, I'm not that much of a pro, but yeah. Okay, let's start. Now you will notice on the screen this button right there. This is a jump button, and you can climb with it. You can't just jump, and you can work on the wall and jump. When you pressing this, you can do it like this, like that. Oh, come on! Now, okay, this. Yeah, this is the jump and the climb button. Yeah, and you can do another thing with it. When you press this button right there and this button, I missed this one. But you can't heal. You just press this button, and to get up, you have to do this button, and here you go, like that. What? What? Okay. Here's the trick that I promised that I didn't promise. What? Press this. Wait a minute, I don't know. Why I'm bad at this? Okay. Press this and this at the same time so you can jump super high. Super high. I can do it again. Okay, I missed so much. Okay. You have to be running. No! Yeah, editor, you have to cut all of that until I get it right. Please. Okay. Do that and that. Yes, like that. But look at my health. How do I heal? It's simple, just click on this button. But I click it again, I can't get up. Why? You just click this. Yeah. You are getting up. Okay. Now this button right there. You see when you're crouching and you want to get up, press this button. And you want to get the super jump, press this button and the jump one. This to the super jump. Like this. Yeah. And there is this button that it's useless. I don't know why they added that button there. And there's this scan button. A cool thing. Now this guy there. You can slide. Yeah, you know the slides. I want to find a gap to slide under it. And by the way, you want to avoid fall damage, just press this and this at the same time when you close to this, to not to get to fall damage, of course. But if you want to don't get fall damage into this, into this floor, you can't. No, you can't. It's just impossible. Now I have to find a gap. Bro just died. Okay, finding a gap. Finding a gap to slide under it. Yeah, I think I have to go to the lobby now. But yeah, you are open and click this to go to the spawn again. Now where is this? I see one. Oh, come on. Okay, I'll try again. Yeah, you can do this, by the way. There's a gap. Slide under it. Just hold it like this. I usually do it like this because it is cool. Warning. Long fall. Oh yes, it is a long fall. How to avoid it? Just press this and that. Oh, and by the way, if you want to this. Yes, now it's my pro skills. Yes, I will show you my skills now. Stick around because it is going to be amazing. Let's go. That's a tip for me. So, guys, it is the end of the video. Yeah, you should like and subscribe. Yeah, you should. You should. Yeah, you should. And peace.